Magandang gabi. It's Wednesday night. Pasensya na, late na ang ating pronunciation video. Pero, eto na. Let's start. First word ay the word peace, which was posted last Monday or Lunes. Kapayapaan. 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 Let's say that again. Kapayapaan. And if you wanna learn how to say sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy sa Tagalog, you can find the link down below, or you can visit the link up here to see the video. And next word, thunder and lightning sa Tagalog ay kulog at kidlat. Let's say that again. Kulog at kidlat. Thunder, kulog. 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 And kidlat, thunder. Kidlat. Kidlat. Kulog at kidlat. How do you say hot and cold sa Tagalog? Mainit at malamig. Hot, mainit. 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 And cold, malamig. 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 Halimbawa, for hot o mainit, ang kape ay mainit. The coffee is hot. Ang kape ay mainit. At halimbawa or example para sa cold o malamig, ang tubig ay malamig, o the water is cold. Ang tubig ay malamig. At next, positive and negative. We also use the word positive and negative a lot sa Tagalog, pero sa Tagalog ay positive, positibo. 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 At negative, negatibo. 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 Strong and weak sa Tagalog, malakas at mahina. Strong, malakas. Malakas. And weak, mahina. Mahina. Malakas at mahina. At ano sa Tagalog ang traffic? We also use the English word a lot, traffic, pero sa Tagalog, ang traffic ay trapik. 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 Traffic, sa Tagalog, trapik. A cop o pulis sa Tagalog ay pulis. 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 we have the word first and last. Sa Tagalog ay una at huli. First, una. Una. Last, huli. Huli. Una at huli. Those were the Tagalog words and phrases posted from our page last week. So, you can check for the Tagalog words below. And don't forget to check the timestamps or click on the timestamp or click on the timestamps just in case you have some Tagalog words that you wanna hear again. So, ayan lang for tonight. Good night. Bye. See you on the next video.